Worldwide Electric offers a range of pre-configured soft starter packages that protect against undue motor load and torque. Whether general purpose, standard duty, or heavy duty, non-combination, or positive displacement, they are ideal for a wide range of applications when all you need is a defined, packaged solution ready to install and run. NEMA 4 enclosures protect against the most demanding outdoor environments. Packages are available for 1 to 600 horsepower, controlled by either a WorldDrive IQ or Siemens 3RW series compact soft starter that applies power to the motor gradually and efficiently, enabling it to safely and reliably accelerate to full speed. Each enclosure offers lockout/tagout security. Economical packages provide basic and advanced programming with high-quality pre-configured components, circuit breaker disconnect, 120-volt control, and door-mounted pilot devices. Heavy-duty packages provide additional door-mounted controls, advanced protection, and features for demanding applications. All worldwide motor control packaged systems are built to exacting standards at our world-class UL 508A certified facility in Hernando, Mississippi. They are UL compliant, assembled, tested, and ready for operation before shipment. And we back every panel with free technical support. Visit worldwideelectric.com or talk to your local distributor about all electric motors, gear reducers, generators, and control solutions from Worldwide Electric.